A partial solar eclipse is also known as a partial stellar eclipse. It is a temporary astronomical event where the light from a source is partially blocked by an intervening object. In the Sun, Moon, Earth system, the Moon passes between the Sun, i.e. the light source, and the Earth, and casts a shadow that the Earth passes through, thus blocking part of the sunlight as viewed from the near side of the Earth. So here we're looking at the Sun, Moon, Earth system, and the Earth is in its orbit going around the Sun. Also, the Moon is in its orbit going around the Earth. At very specific times, when the Moon is in the right spot between the Sun and the Earth, we can have a partial solar eclipse, which is a temporary astronomical event where light from a source is partially blocked by the intervening object, which in this case is the Moon. If we had a person standing in the penumbra, for example, then when they looked up at the Sun, they would see a partial solar eclipse. Let's take a look at a partial solar eclipse. So here is one example of a partial solar eclipse. From the point of view of the observer, the Moon is passing in front of the Sun, but not all of the Sun will be blocked. This portion, or the top portion of the Sun, will still remain visible, and hence the sunlight is only partially blocked, hence the name partial solar eclipse. This is one example of how you can have a partial solar eclipse from the Earth viewing the Sun with the Moon as the intervening object.